This is boom&Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the forex financial market. So welcome back again. As I promised in my last video, I'm going to give you the full settings of this awesome boom and crash spike strategy that is used to grow any small account in this 2023. So let's dive in now. So you can see before we move on, we have 3-step process for this awesome strategy. You see, number 1 step, complete settings of the strategy and backtest. I'm going to give you the complete strategy. I'm going to backtest the strategy. Number 2, step 2, guidelines / rules governed by the strategy plus some live backtest. I'm going to give you some conditions, some guidelines guided by the strategy, so that you can be able to understand it better, because it's strictly boom and crash spike catching strategy, price action, pure price action. And out of those 2 conditions I'm going to give you, we have number 1, double top and double bottom, which is the chart pattern that we are going to use for this strategy. Number 2 is the candlestick chart pattern. The candlestick chart pattern is the candlestick chart pattern that we are going to use in order to make sure we use it as our entry trigger to enter into the market. Then in the step 3 of this awesome strategy, we have the bonus tip. What is the bonus tip? Whoever stay till the end of this video, I'm going to give you a 1 bonus tip of the best time frame to use and trade this strategy. That is our last tip. I will also give you a link that you are going to use to access the last video, so that you'll be able to know that if you are struggling to grow any small account, if you have any problem trading small account, if you have any problem trading boom and crash generally, please kindly stick to me in this channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and wait for more and more free boom and crash strategies like this one. So let's quickly dive into it, and I'll give you the full complete settings. So you can see, this is the strategy, this is the strategy, this is the strategy. So what I want you to understand, the strategy is purely based on price action. So it don't have too many settings. It don't have too many settings. We only have this ATR, and I'm going to add a moving average on the main chart. Let's add a 21 moving average on the main chart, 21 exponential moving average on the main chart. So you can see. So I think that is that about that. So let me give you the settings. On the main chart, we have the moving average. The settings for this moving average is period 21, shift 2, method exponential, apply to weighted close HLCC/4. These are the main complete settings for this awesome trading strategy. So this is the settings for the moving average. You can screenshot it so that you can be able to set it later. Then on the window indicator 1, we have only 2 moving average, the RSI and the average true range. So what is the settings for the RSI? The RSI settings are period 1, apply to weighted close HLCC/4, levels. We have 4 levels, or I should say 5 levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the 50 level, which is the center level. The TP, we have 0.5 level, we have 95 level, we have 90 level, and we have 10 level. So we have buy and sell, and we have strong buy and strong sell positions. Style red, you can use anyone you want, but you can leave it my own color, so that when you have mastered the strategy, you can be able to change it to your own colors as well. So let's go on. Then for the average true range, the period is 14, but since we use 21 exponential moving average for trending market, let's also use period 21 for the average true range, and style we have red. Done. So if you set it very well, you should be able to have something like this. Should be able to have something like this. So as I explained in the other video, if you want to find an entry trigger, or if you want to take a trade with this strategy, that is where the issue of step 2 come into play. This step 2. We are now moving to step 2. I've already finished with the settings. I'm very sure everybody have gotten the settings. And let's move to the step 2. Then step 2 are the guidelines and the rules governed by the strategy. What are the conditions for this strategy? So number one condition, you need to understand that you can only trade this market in a trending market, either uptrend trending market or downtrend trending market. So for Crash 1000, we use the downtrend trending market to catch spikes. For Boom 1000, we use the uptrend trending market to catch spikes, which is exactly what I'm going to show you now. So let's quickly go on. Let me highlight. Let me zoom out small so that I can be able to see it. Let me zoom out small. From our last video, I told you you need to have these two conditions in mind: a double top and double bottom. That's the number one, and also candlestick chart pattern. So somebody will ask me, what is double top or what is double bottom? I'm going to answer you very quickly. So double top is simply, let me give you an instance. This is a double top. This is a double top. This one. This is the double top. And this is a double bottom. This one is a double bottom. Let me get another candle, another horizontal line. This is another bottom, because for a double top, this is market has started coming up, reach this resistance level. Market was unable to break it, come down again, go and retest that strong resistance level. So it has formed what? It has formed two tops. Let me show you the tops. This is the first top here, look at it, and this is the second top here, look at it. This is the second top here. So this is the first top, this is the second top. So these are the two tops that we have. So this is double top. Then what is this? Is double bottom. You see, this market was trading downward. It reached this support level. It was unable to break it, retest back to its previous resistance that is acting as support now. Previous support that is acting as resistance now. Market retrace downward, go back up, come down to that same level that was unable to break for the first time. So we have two bottom here. That is what we mean by double bottom. Double top, these are double tops. Double bottom, these are double bottoms. So whenever you are going to trade this market, for double top, you look for sell signal. You look for sell signal and sell. For double bottom, you look for buy signal. You are buying. You need to buy and make money from the market. So that is what you need to understand. So since you understand it, let's go back to the next one, which is what? The candlestick chart pattern. So if you want to enter a trade, make sure you use candlestick chart pattern. And the only two candlestick chart patterns that are approved in this market is what? Bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing in the case of downtrend, or what? Or hammer or shooting star. These are the only four candlestick chart pattern I use as my entry trigger. Example, here you can see this is a hammer that reject this level and push the price upward. The same thing apply here. If you look at this level, this one, this is a bullish engulfing pattern that will push the market upward. And if you check for the top, for this double top as well, you see this is a bearish engulfing. This is also a bearish engulfing. This is not a bearish engulfing, but it's a normal market breakout. So you need to understand that price action and market tends to respect these candlestick chart patterns very, very well. And that is where the issue of time frame come into play, which is the last bonus tip I promised to give whoever stuck to me in this video up to this end. So I've already given you the settings and you have the conditions aligned. Then we are going to find an entry, and that's why we have to talk about best time frame. So the best time frame I personally use to trade this boom and crash growing small account spike strategy is 4 hours chart and 30-minute chart. I look for my market structure trend on 4 hours chart, then I'll come down to 30 minutes chart or even 15 minutes chart, or even, but I generally use 30-minute chart always. Let me even show you how. That's why you see I was really looking at 30-minute chart currently for this market, because we are already take this trade. We catch a lot of spikes here. You can see for this level, you see at this point I identify. Let me go back to 4 hours chart. You see on the 4 hours chart, this is what we have identified. Market was trying to, because price has already broke above our 21 exponential moving average, which is our trend following indicator. We are using the 21 moving average to identify our trend. When the price is above the 21 moving average, the market is in an uptrend, will look for buy signal. When the price is below the 21 moving average, the market is in a downtrend, we will look for sell signals. So I've identified an area that I need to buy. Price has already broke above 21 exponential moving average on the main chart. Then I will just go down toward my 30-minute chart. The same thing applies. See, at this level, you can use second zone level first, second. So you see, I come down to this level. This is where that market breaks out. You see, it break up the 21 exponential moving average. Market retraces back into that zone, and market break it out again. So when this market break it out again, you can see there was a rejection on this moving average breakout. And what happened? Our average true range is in a low volatility. The main objective of this moving average is to tell us that, okay, market is a low volatility now, and we are looking to enter the market so that the market will move into a high volatility with us and will make profit. So you can see this is the bullish engulfing pattern I used to enter this trade. We enter this trade and we move upward and we look for profit. So that is how you can be able to get a good entry. Let me show you. Sometimes if you identify the main trend on the 4 hours chart is even uptrend, you just come down to your 30-minute chart and just be looking for a pullback towards the 21 moving average and wait for any candlestick chart pattern confirmation, and you'll just take your trade. This is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. So I'm very sure you have understand everything all. You have understand everything all. You have understand. Let me give you the recaps of what we have learned today. Number one, I have given you the full settings of this awesome strategy. Number two, I've given you the guidelines which has to do with the double top and bottom for this strategy, and make sure to only look for entry trigger in an uptrend or downtrend of this market, because this strategy is used to grow small account, so you are only allowed to trade the market is in when the market is in a trending market, or when the market is in a trending condition. So that is that about that. If you are looking for a way to grow any small account faster, since you have the strategy and the settings now, kindly check the cards off here or in the description of this video of our last video, where we talk about if you want to grow any small account now, this is exactly what you will do to grow small account in that video. So make sure to check that video, since you have all the strategy all intact. If you find any value in this video, please don't forget to hit the like button for me. Nice to have you here. See you in my next video. Bye.